All right, here we go. Good luck, Freeman. Going to do boxes 5 and 7. (2016) Bowman's best. Good luck, señor. Buena suerte. Let's see what we get in these two boxes. Boxes 5 and 7. Pick one from the corner, pick one from the side, the middle, like you liked it. Don't you forget about it. Don't you forget about it. Don't. All right, here we go. We got a Atomic Refractor, Carlos Correa. Redemption. Best of 2016 autograph, Tuki Toussaint. Good old Tuki. Where's he at now? Braves? Toussaint. Little basketball. If I had basketball product, Jason. No cheater, huh? Cookie time. Ken's got basketball he's trying to fill. Ben Zobrist, 231 of 250. You know Ken, right, Jason? And we got Tim Anderson, rookie autograph. Yeah, Ken's got basketball he's trying to fill. I wish I did. We did absolute basketball yesterday. I think he does random team. If you want to check it out. Rafael Devers. So I had Tuki Toussaint and Tim Anderson. Do they really? I never noticed that. Hey, you get the future though. Get the pick up the Browns. Get the Corey Coleman, Ozzie Albies for the Atlanta Braves. Must have been autograph number 600. Kenta Maeda, Atomic Refractor. Playing Kershaw. Don't you Ichiro. And autograph is Garrett Davila. All right, Jason. Sounds good. That was the first box. Yes, if you come down on Los Angeles, definitely come out and have a beer with you, man. When you go to San Diego, that's a 2-hour drive for me. This is box 7, so this was one of the boxes in the middle. You know what? The way the Chargers are playing and no Melvin Gordon, I think it's possible. Depends which Browns show up to play. Out here in LA? Ooh, green refractor. Kevin Newman, 28 of 99 for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Very nice. Paul Goldilocks, atomic refractor. Don't you forget about me. Nice. Alex Ray is also. Yeah, that was a nice little box. Nice little inner at least. Alex Reyes and Kevin Newman. And Johnny Damon. Lando Arcia. First autograph of this set is Drew Jackson, Seattle Mariners. I'm throwing up these numbers. So I hope somebody takes their number. David Wright for the Mets. Oh, y'all giving away your numbers. Imagine. Last autograph. It is a base. But you got Mickey Moniak, green. 96 of 99, Mickey Moniak. And very nice. Forrest Whitley also. Very nice. Moniak and Forrest Whitley. That second box was a lot better than the first one. Thank you, Freeman.